Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to analyze the competition of our keyword. So we will use some tools like longtailpro. It's a good tool to analyze the competition for keyword. Okay, you can also get this tool by visiting the website, the official website, which is I think, yeah, longtailpro.com. If you go to the website and in the bottom there are three kind of category. The one is free, which is a 10 days free trial. The second one is Pro plus Platinum, and the third one is Pro version. I have the Pro plus Platinum version, and you can choose this 10 days trial. If you like this, you can buy this and find the keyword. The Pro and Platinum version have a advantage, which is it will calculate the keyword competitiveness without doing more efforts. Okay, so you can also visit this website longtailpro.com and get a 10 days free trial. Okay, so this is the tool and here is our keyword list. So this tool contains the Google AdWord keyword planner, which will also give you suggestions for your keyword. So to use this tool, the first thing you need to do are the tool contains 4 tabs: keyword research, favorites, competitor analysis, and the rank checker. If you want to get keyword suggestions of your keyword, you can create a campaign. Okay, so click the create campaign, name your campaign something like review and deals, choose your language, country, and the search network, Google or either Google and search partner. So we are going to choose the Google one and create campaign. Okay, after that you can put your keyword here and add them to the list. Let me add a keyword, top 10 gaming laptop. So copy your keyword and paste it here. So it will add it to the keyword ideas. Now the next thing, if you want to include or exclude some terms, you can write your term here, and there are 2 optional tabs. The one is fetch additional data and the apply filters. If I click fetch additional data, which include global search volume. If you want to get the global search volume of your keyword, you can tick this. If you are working for a niche website, you can also check the domain availability, but we are not going to use this thing. The Google title competition, which will give you that how many websites have this keyword in their title as well as for the bank. So for now we are not going to tick these boxes. The next tab is for apply filters. Okay, so if you want to filter out some search volume like average search volume, and you want all the searches or the searches that are more than 100 local search, you can put your term, your value here and the maximum. Same for the global search. So I'm going to put 100, and for the global search I'm going to put 500. After that, number of words. Okay, so our keyword is top 1, 10, 2, gaming 3, and laptop 4. So it is a 4 number keyword, or this keyword include 4 terms in it. So if you want to search the minimum and the maximum keyword, like the minimum should be 4 and the maximum should be 6 if you want. In case I don't want, so I'm going to untick this thing, and after that click generate idea, and it will generate so many keywords related to your search term. Okay, so click generate ideas. It may take some time. It also depends on your internet connection, so you have to wait for it. Okay, it is generating and generated about 349 of 801 result. So I'm going to skip this to the end. Okay, so there are 976 results, and here you can check that all the related keyword of your query, like the best gaming laptop, budget gaming laptop, or best cheap gaming laptop. Here is the average CPC, which is cost per click, and the local search, the global search. You can also filter out if you want local search to be filtered from high to low. You can click this thing, and here we go. This is from low to high, and if I click once more, these searches are from high to low. But we are going to analyze the competition, so this tab is for keyword ideas. Let's go to competitor analyze, and now you can put your search term here and click analyze. So our keyword is okay. So now here we are going to put our key term and then analyze. So we are going to analyze a keyword, best gaming laptops, and click analyze. It will collect all the data of the #10 result of Google, or the first page of Google. As you can see, the process is here, and now it is analyzing the competition. Okay, here we go. So sorry. So the average keyword competitiveness is 46, which means if the competitiveness is from 1 to 30, it means that the competition is low. If it is between 30 to 60 or 65, it may be considered as a medium, and if it is over 65, it means that it is the higher competitive keyword. Okay, so for our keyword best gaming laptop, these are the top 10 Google website. Now you need to check if you can find this keyword in the URL. So this is the first result of Google, and we can see that this keyword is nowhere in this URL. Same in the second, in the third, in the fourth. But in the fifth result, this website contains our keyword laptop, gaming's laptop, but not the best. So let's go to another one, and yep, the sixth result contains the keyword which is best gaming laptops, and it also includes the same phrase best gaming laptops. There is also S in our keyword and in his URL, and the sixth one is also the seventh one, eighth one, but there is nowhere in the 9th and 10th result. After that, you need to check the title. So these are the titles, and most of the website contain our keyword in their title, like best gaming laptop, but our term is for laptops. And yes, the #5th result contain the laptops term, but it's top gaming laptop, not the best gaming laptop. The next thing is the competition. Now, to compete with this website, the average competition is 56. For the third result is 41, 43, 32, 38, 51, 54, and so on. And the page authority, now some of the website has low page authority, 1. The page link. Okay, the page link are the links that are in these pages, inner or outer. Okay, the link use is the backlink profile of these websites, so many of them have 0 backlink. As you can see here, some of them contain 3, 3, and 7. And the domain authority, the moz rank from 1 to 10. The page rank, some of them contain no PR and 0 as well. And the site age. So we can use this keyword and rank by creating a good article and then giving some good backlinks. So this is a good keyword, and by this way you can analyze the competition of any keyword. So this keyword is a medium competitive keyword, and if you want to check for a higher competitive keyword, you can put the keywords like credit card check. It is a very highly competitive keyword with very high search volume. And if I analyze this keyword, okay, so as you can see that the keyword competitiveness is 64, and these are the backlink profile for the top 10 website for the keyword. Okay, so this is a highly competitive keyword, and by this way you can analyze the keyword competition of any keyword. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.